And next we will see how we can do. We have taken another example and we'll just see how we can sort here, sort our data. Like here we will see how we can sort using three levels. We'll be sorting the sales representatives from Z to A, autos from A to Z, and sales from highest to smallest. So let's select the table. Once we have selected the table, let's go to the sort and filter and select the custom sorting as we are doing for multiple levels. And we will delete all the levels here. Now we'll add one level. In this level, I'll select the sales representatives, and in the cell values, I want to keep it Z to A. Next level I want to do is for the autos. So I'll choose autos. This I want to sort A to Z, and then I will add a level for the sales figures. Sales figures I want to have largest to smallest. I'll take largest to small and I'll say OK, and we'll see that it has been sorted now. Yasmin is here, Chevy, and within Chevy the largest to smallest data are sorted. So we've seen that using the sorting option we can sort data in a single column or in multiple columns. In fact, Excel allows sorting of 65 levels. So if we have data in 65 columns can be sorted one after another, and we can present our data after sorting in whatever ways we want. Next tool which we are going to study is the filter tool. Filter is another very important tool, and we will see how we can study the filter tool and see what all options can be applied with the filtering buttons here. So I have got a table here. First let's see how we can apply filters. So here filter is there. I'll use a shortcut called Control Shift L to remove it. To apply a filter in the long cut method, we can go to this option and we can click on this filter button. If you click on this filter button, you can also see Excel is showing you the shortcut here, Control Shift plus L. So if you are pressing Control Shift L or you click here, the filter buttons are applied. Now you can see these small buttons appearing on all the columns. And if I press the shortcut Control Shift L, these will disappear. And if I press the shortcut Control Shift L, again these filters will appear. Now we will see. Now let's look at the filter options one by one. If you click on this filter which is on the sales column, we have mostly numbers here. And if I click here, the options I get here to choose is the sorting options are there, but it allows me to select any number from here. I can unselect the all, and if I want to see 13082 is sales for details, I click here and I'll get that particular sales detail filtered out. That this was done by Jitendra for Honda on 12th May 2021. Okay, and now if I click on select all, it will get unfiltered and all the data will come back, will be seen and presented again. Now here when I am clicking on these numbers, I get something called number filters. And when I get the number filters here, I will see these various options, which is like equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than. So there are a number of options which can be chosen, which can be filtered out from this data. For example, if I want to see above average sales, I click here and I am left with all the sales which are above average. And when the filter is being applied, what you need to see here is that the figures which are not presented are not deleted. They are just hidden behind. If you see these row numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, after that 28, 29 has disappeared. These are actually hiding because the sales numbers there are not above average. They are below average. So 28th and 29th row numbers are hidden. Then I get 30, 31 is again hidden. After 32, 33, 34, then 35 is hidden. After 36 till 40, three rows are hidden because all those numbers will have values which are not above the average. So now if I go to the number filter and if I select below average, so you'll see that now different rows are hidden. I get all the smaller numbers here. Below average numbers of the sales are being shown here, and the row numbers which are hidden now, like 30 is hidden, 32, 33, 34 which were earlier visible are now hidden because they are above average numbers.